Okay, for this tutorial you're going to want to make sure you have your MIDI keyboard hooked up and working. You can see mine is working. Can't hear any sound. Simple way to do step record. First thing you want to do is let's set our cycle mode. In this case I'm just going to click on it. I've already set it. You know how to move it. So I'm setting mine to start on measure 2. I can move my playhead there by hitting 0. Next thing you want to do is get your piano roll showing. So I'll type P on my keyboard, or you can just go down here and select piano roll. My MIDI in's already selected, but you want to make sure that you select MIDI in. It's red. That's telling you that it will receive information from the MIDI keyboard. Next thing you're going to do is hit the escape key, and we're going to select the pencil tool. And I'm going to click once where I want to start my step record. So in this case I want to start at measure 2. So I'm going to click, I lost my pencil tool here. So I'm going to click right here. Boom, I have one measure. I'm going to hit escape again. I'm going to go back to the pointer tool and I'm going to drag however long I want my step record to go. In this case I'll just select a couple measures. Once I've done that, I'm going to go up to the options menu and I'm going to go step input keyboard. Now I see my step input keyboard. In this case I'm just going to enter a string of 8 notes quickly. So I select on 8 notes and I don't want the triplet, and I'm going to just play the keyboard. And then you can start to see my 8th notes. Now if I want to skip an 8th note, it's very simple. I select the 8th note and I go up here and the sustain insert note, click that. Notice that my playhead just jumped ahead, so I've entered a rest. If I want to do half note chord after this, I select half note chord and then just play my chord right in there. Boom, there's my chord. And that's pretty much how you do step record. Talked about triplets. If I wanted to put in a string of 8th notes triplets, I just click on the 8th note with 3, and now I'm entering triplets in there. And it will just enter 3 triplets, and you'd have to select it again to enter 3 more. So that's a brief tutorial on step record.